5 easy yoga exercises that make the body beautiful and strong and the mind calm. Yoga is a mental, physical and spiritual exercise, and its history is almost 5,000 years old, and even today this exercise is performed all over the world to get mental and physical fitness, especially athletes, showbiz people and people who are physically strong make it a part of their lives. In this video we are covering 5 basic and important yoga exercises that will strengthen your shoulders, chest, waist, lower the abdomen and help bring your whole body back into beautiful shape, as well as your brain will be trained to be calm. Number 1. Sukhasana. Lay a soft cloth on the ground and sit in the position as shown in the picture, and close your eyes and focus on the breath, and clear the mind from all kinds of thoughts, and if the mind goes to another thought, then turn it again. Bring it back and pay attention to the breaths and sit in this position for at least a minute. This will calm your mind and give it depth. Number 2. Half-faced. Get the position as shown in the picture. Keep the back straight with the shoulders facing up and transfer the weight to the hands, and pull the abdomen inwards with the exhale, and stay in this position for at least 5 breaths. This position improves digestion, eliminates menstrual cramps in women, eliminates headaches, eliminates insomnia, relieves back pain and relieves physical fatigue. This exercise helps in controlling respiratory diseases, high blood pressure, and creates an elbow in the soles of the feet, and strengthens the muscles of the body. Do this exercise for at least 30 seconds, and then with an interval of 20 to 30 seconds. Do this at least 3 times. Number 3. Dolphin Plank. After half a face, come to the position as shown in the picture, and hold this position for at least 30 seconds, and repeat this exercise 3 times with an interval of 15 to 20 seconds. Dolphin Plank is an exercise that strengthens the whole body, especially the muscles of the shoulders, arms, and back. It also strengthens the abdominal muscles, and those who are pregnant. For those who want to reduce it, this is a great exercise that they can perform anywhere in the house. Number 4. Side plank. Hold onto one arm for 30 seconds, as shown in the picture, and then on the other arm for 30 seconds, and perform this exercise at least twice on both sides. This yoga exercise is one of the favorite exercises of expert athletes, and this exercise is also an exercise for the whole body, but especially it strengthens the abdominal muscles, and melts the fat stored in the abdomen, and the core muscles. This position also plays a very important role in strengthening. Number 5. Adho Sukhasana. Adjust the position as shown in the picture, and hold this position for at least 30 seconds to 3 minutes, and then repeat this process 3 times with a short break. This yoga position strengthens the muscles of the thighs, knees, and ankles. It builds muscle flexibility from the ankles to the hips, strengthens the abdominal organs, improves the digestive system, eliminates stomach gas and gastric acidity, eliminates back pain, relieves menstrual cramps in women, eliminates high blood pressure and respiratory diseases, and improves blood circulation in the legs. Note: make all of the above exercises a part of your daily routine, and after 2 to 3 weeks, you will start to get results from these exercises. Morning is the best time to perform these exercises, but you can do this at any time of the day. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching video.